Good day everyone. Hi, this is Glenn of Trades. Welcome again to my vlog. I hope you guys are doing fine. Okay, today we're just going to we were asked to move one camera and install it to the locker area. So today Elijah and John will be helping me, and since we don't have Dixon anymore and what do you call it, and Sylvester's on the other branch, I only have two persons to help me today. So don't worry guys, this stunt is really safe. It does look dangerous at some point, but yeah, they're perfectly in the good hands. Anyway, today we've come up with a plan of using this forklift to ferry them up to the top, to the second floor, so we can at least work our way down, right? So let's see. Measure me 1 meter. Can you hold on to this one? I think he's trying to pull me down. That's like 2 floor. What's that? That's like 2 floor. It's like we're here on the second floor, yeah. And these guys are the same guy who has worked with me. I mean, the guys who have worked with me since 2019. Yeah, so right now we're going to like extend this. Hey, you cut him now. Find me the coupling. There should be a coupling in that. No, not that one. That's elbow. No, the coupling is for RJ45. This Lamaski. It's for RJ45. It's a rectangular thing like this one.
Oh, the white one.
Is it white?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, the one that we use for extending RJ45. I put it there. Emtasol. No, not that one. Try and find it. Help the guy. Help the poor guy out. Not that one. Not that one. Stop na agad. No, está lo. Nagat, ema stop lo plastic. Harem. Yeah, you put him go inside lo plastic.
Put it in the plastic.
Yeah, I put it in there. So go check him, please. It's supposed to be rectangular, white one or gray one. Minasabi, check him. And it has RJ45 port on each side. Yeah, I should. It's supposed to be in there.
Ring lock. Settle.
Be careful with. Oh, yeah, that's the one, right? What is that thing?
Which one?
The coupling. Oh no, not that. It's like that, but it's smaller. It's not there. Yeah, that one.
This one.
Yeah, that's the one.
See the couplings.
Yeah, it's a coupling. RJ45 coupling.
Okay. You just said couplings, so that's why he's looking for you.
Okay, so connect this one first on that side. Later, once you finish with the other one, you join it, right? Created the joint. Can you show us the joint that we created? Yeah. So we have this RJ45 coupling that we ordered from Lazada, and we created here. We did the RJ45. We just lock them together, seal it, and we can extend the cable. That's how you extend the cable. Okay, these two guys here are guys who have been helping me, but this one is a bit new. He just helped me with he just helps. And we installed the camera there last time. And this guy is a veteran. He's like living with me for 5 years. So be careful guys. We don't have harnesses, so it's dangerous. And look at that. I'm just standing on this makeshift. It's just an extended forklift. So I'm literally standing on a forklift. Okay, so here we are. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lock this thing here. And hopefully Legend did a good job of flipping the RG45 in place. If he falls out,
No, turn him.
then it's gonna be a problem. But I trust that he knows what he's doing. He's been doing this for how many months now? So,
5 years.
and this guy here is who was your cameo in the film again? Vistaka.
John Bon Jones.
Okay, so once we put this in place, we're gonna start cable tying this pipe here going down to that side, and we're good to go. We're gonna bring this forklift down to the ground floor. And now, that's good. So let's look at what's around our accommodation. So we can see some good house in here, and lots of cars. And these are just the parking lots. Yeah, from this side to the side.
Things we do. My God.
So what can you say about your job?
It's smart and it's stupid.
So this is the stupid part,
This
right?
is the stupid part.
Yeah. Okay, make sure that you got the loop. Yeah, put it on top. No. Just straight like this one. And cable tie it on that side, so it doesn't fall down. So guys, make sure that this is straight, so people will not laugh at you when you guys are doing your things. How about Abim Lilik?
It is. It's a bit crooked, huh?
Sorry?
It's straight.
Yeah, no, it's not straight. Put it on this side. Tripla to sala. Tripla im na pa.
It's straight. Like, it's straight.
Hinap yung katim extra ha.
Yeah.
Okay, help him. Help him determine if it's straight or not.
Yeah. Right. Look at this. Go straight now. No lips now.
Okay, tie him good ha. Tie him good. Yeah, pull him good.
Pulling cable. It's like pulling goal. Extra, yeah.
Okay, cut it. Cut the extra one. Okay. Next.
Basta man, ano ka?
Ah,
Tightness.
Elijah, can you start putting the glue? Get the glue first. Pull it out. Hey, pull it out. Pull the whole thing out and then glue it. You know the hose? Slowly, slowly. Ano kang bagarapin nun?
Will it come out? Oh, it's a ring lock, ah.
No, the hose. Oh, okay, okay. Then put it around it.
Yeah, just put it around and it ring lock. Then that's Americus.
Entason, maski. Up. Isla to. Putin lang antap. So rain by no bono na go. Sorry. And now. Entason. I'm right. Okay, pasin na cut him extra. Okay, we ask them to go down now. To move this. I'm now. Magkatapos ba yun? Give them a pipe. Ada. Measure past time. Brother. Open past time. Right. Cut him past time, ah. Up to the metal one, metal. I'll give him the pipe cutter. Hey, Jumbos. Reverse him, reverse him. John, scissors. Scissors first. Scissors. And now, take it through. Glue. Okay, give me the glue. So we put a drip loop here, so that rain will not go up. So that it will drip here. The camera will go all the way to the other side. Okay, so we're almost done here. Elijah is just running this ducting through the ceiling, through the spaces between the ceiling and the frame. Okay, so later I'm gonna connect the camera and see if we can view it from the top. The camera will be placed from where I'm standing here, so I can see both the outside view and the inside view of this pen. Here's the other end, so we're gonna put it in here. So it goes all the way to that side up to that end. So we're gonna viewing is this. So why did you put it this far? It's because in the future they might want to put some on this side again, on this empty wall. They decide to put some so naglagay kami dito ng loop para loop drip or drip loop para yung water pag umulan eh dyan pupunta. So yung camera andun sa dulo. Okay, so upon testing, we can see from here in my IPC tester that the camera downstairs that we installed is working flawlessly. So I might make some small adjustment. Thank you for watching my vlog, and see you again next time, guys. Thank you.